5 till 2, and my distribution amp has arrived several hours early. So, let's check it out. It has an FM trap, so it blocks FM radio from getting in. I have a short video where we heard a radio station on channel whatever and couldn't tell what it was. You tell what the BS in the background is. Some kind of date code. 23. Sounds like the audio's too weak. It's a bit distorted. Okay, let's see if it's stereo or not. Watching the unnamed Feeling music video. Ripped off my copy of the DVD. How come these aren't in 4K yet? Even for the reissues of the deluxe editions of the Metallica albums, they're still in standard def. Anyway, the intro, when you have one channel missing, it sounds weird. Ooh! Okay, so we have stereo audio. Okay, let's get another TV connected. And I'll cut here, because this gets copyright issues. Oh, Poke's back again. Oh, that's, channel 10 is distorted as hell, because you had the volume up too high. Good, then get the fuck out of here. Channel 50 is up and running. Nice. Looks kind of dim right here, though. Anyway, yeah, it's working. You have that weird noise and the lines going up the screen, just like the over-the-air signal with the antenna, so I don't know what that is. Maybe the FM trap's not enabled? Yeah, turning it down all the way. I mean, it's not going all the way across the house with a 25+ foot cable. This is connected to a 25-foot cable. So it looks completely fine with the amplification down all the way. Still sharp and bright, so there's no degradation in the signal. Really nice colors. Once right there, when I was watching this over the air on the Heartland channel, it froze when I was watching it on here. Anyway, they played it again the night I finished up fixing the convergence on the set. Probably won't put that video out because it sucks and it was done with my phone, so the audio sounds like it's underwater. It's the only time they played this one live.
She's hot.
Yep.
You don't believe that the CIA, threatened by a loss of power,
What's not so hot? These fucking jail bars. Anyway, we'll take care of that at another date.
I'll get you,